Camera opens with a busy restaurant. Waiters move around. Customers chatting. Bulugin carries a tray nervously.
First lunch rush, huh? You'll be fine, gang. Just remember, stay calm, smile, no matter what happens. Right. Stay calm, smile, better.
She heads to a table where Mr. Woodley sits, projecting his phone to kitchen.
Enjoy your food.
She places the plate carefully. Mr. Woodley takes one bite and throws it.
Your barbecue is so hard. It's overcooked. It's not tender. It's so dry.
Oh, I'm very sorry, sir. Let me fix that for you in the kitchen.
Please do it fast. I don't have to try.
Bulugin nods and rushes to the kitchen.
Chef Kristen is taking chef.
Impossible. I just made that 5 minutes ago.
But I understand. He's hungry. Could we remake it?
Fine. But next time tell him to eat faster. So,
Sukuring, the bunny girl, overhears and walks away.
Comfort. Ying and Kristen tell Mr. Ruby we are preparing a fresh dish. And we will add a complimentary side. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Bulugin approached the table calmly.
I'm truly apologize for the inconvenience. Our chef prepared a fresh plate for you. We also include a complimentary drink.
alright. I appreciate that you're fixing it. I just have meeting soon.
I understand completely, sir. I'll make sure it's ready as soon as possible. May I offer you a drink?
I'm just waiting.
And Sukuring talking on the counter.
I was so scared. That's normal. The trick is not to take it personally. The guests complain because they are disappointed, not because they hate you. Listen, apologize, and ask.
Bulugin delivers the new plate with confidence.
Complimentary drink.
Much better. May I know your name?
I'm Yang.
Yang, thank you for your service today. It's so good. You did it well.
I'm glad to hear that, sir. Thank you for giving a chance with us.
Good job.
So, how was your first day cooking? Terrifying. I learned something. It's not about being perfect. It's about being calm and exactly. The good service is not about food. It's about heart.
In every restaurant, mistakes can happen. But when we listen, apologize, and find a solution, we don't just fix a problem. We build trust. Because true service means making people feel valued even when things go wrong.
Pork barbecue.